today we are doing an Italian meal prep. I'm not Italian, so we're not doing traditional Italian recipes, but instead we're making quick, easy, high-protein versions of classics. So we're gonna make blended tiramisu overnight oats, Caprese style salad jars, healthy, high-protein chocolate ice cream in one pot lasagna. And we're gonna try to do all of that in less than an hour. We're gonna start by making that tiramisu overnight oats. So we're just gonna add everything into the blender. I have the timer here, so I'm gonna put this on and we can begin.
We are making 6 servings, so we need 3 cups of oats.
Oh my god. Whoops.
And 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, which are a great source of fiber and healthy fats. Next, we're adding high-protein Greek yogurt, which gives these overnight oats a really creamy texture. Then we need 6 tablespoons of light cream cheese. Next, we need 1.5 cups of strong coffee, 4 to 6 tablespoons of maple syrup to taste, and 1.5 cups of milk. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Then we blend until creamy. Next, we divide the mixture into 6 jars, containers, or glasses. For topping, we need high-protein vanilla Greek yogurt or quark. And we'll also sprinkle unsweetened cacao powder on top. And lastly, add some raspberries. You can add the toppings also just before serving. These overnight oats are creamy and so yummy. They really taste like a healthy tiramisu. Next, we're going to prep the salads for lunch. We're starting by making the dressing of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Next, we divide the dressing into 6 big glass jars. I got these from Amazon. I'll add the link to the description. Traditional caprese salad only contains tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil, but we're adding a few extra ingredients to make it more filling and nutritious. Next, we add chickpeas, mini mozzarellas, quinoa, half cherry tomatoes, lots of arugula, and lastly, fresh basil. As the dressing is at the bottom of the jars, the veggies won't get soggy. Before serving, just pour everything into a bowl and toss. Such an easy and tasty lunch. Next, we're prepping the one-pot lasagna. I want to add extra vegetables, so I first cook 1 diced zucchini for a few minutes. If you don't have IBS, you could cook a diced onion at this point too. Next, we're going to add a lean ground beef. When it's almost cooked, add chopped green onions, or if you don't have IBS, add a couple of grated garlic cloves and cook for a few minutes. Season with salt, pepper, oregano, basil, and chili flakes. Then we add crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and vegetable stock, and stir. Next, we need to break 8 lasagna sheets into the pan and make sure they're covered in the sauce. Cover with the lid and let simmer for about 20 minutes. Stir halfway through. Meanwhile, we're going to make a healthier white sauce. For that, we only need cottage cheese and some milk. And then we just blend until creamy. When the lasagna sheets are cooked, we're adding dollops of the white sauce and parmesan on top. Let's add the lid on top until the cheese melts. I like to serve it with fresh basil. Such a tasty meal. Lastly, we're prepping the high-protein chocolate ice cream. We're adding all the ingredients into a blender. For 6 servings, we need 3 cups of milk, 1.5 cups, so 6 scoops of chocolate protein powder, 6 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 banana. Then we blend until it's smooth. I have a Ninja Creamy, so next I pour the mixture into Ninja Creamy pints and freeze for at least 20 hours. If you don't have a Ninja Creamy, the easiest way to make chocolate protein ice cream is by freezing bananas and blending them with chocolate protein powder and cacao powder. I have shared all kinds of healthier ice cream recipes, so I'm going to add the links to the description. Once frozen, remove a pint from the freezer and let it sit in room temperature for 10 minutes. Lock the ice cream into the creamy and select the light ice cream mode. If after 1 round of spinning your ice cream is a little dusty in texture or not creamy enough, select the respin setting. This turned out so creamy and yummy. And here are all the ready meals. I always make such a horrible mess when meal prepping.
It took a little bit over an hour, but I think I would have been ready earlier if I didn't film, because it takes a lot of time to move the tripods and the cameras around and to keep the background clean. I'll add the ring recipes to the description box as always. Let me know in the comments which cuisine you want to see next. If you're looking for more easy, healthy, high-protein recipes, check out my meal prep ebook, which has 80 recipes with nutritional info. I'll add the link down below. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!